Bad man, you go drive right past the Cumberland School.
I'm a general. Which one? The high school or the basic school?
Cumberland now no basic school, bad man. Just listen to me and say no, you go drive past the Cumberland School and you go take a second left.
Second left that I want after the first left. No.
Yes.
You sure I second left, right?
Yes, but positive. That one there.
You sure? Alright, never take a second.
Alright.
Oh Lord God, me take a third one. Hold on, me a reverse.
How? Oh, you even do that?
Now we second it again too. No, you
Bad man, you gonna make me drop down?
when you have high blood sugar, you don't know insulin. Take some insulin.
But hungry, what you talk about?
So rich man, 1 minute away. No worry, me general.
Just take a left.
When you say there again, Cumberland or Waterford? A Waterford me there. Me see Waterford I. Yo, dear me, no you that way are there. Where are they, my mother in general? But there you play so domino. Lord, me a park.
You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. I can't limit this, estamos conectando. Prendes, I can almost get tocando. You know I don't know what to say. All these voices in the background of my brain.
Yo, what's up, pretty salad? Yo, this is what you're funny for, yo, me I tell you, yo, what's it up? Yo, that is what you. Yo, go on, look at. Watch your video, go on. Watch your video.
Let me see it.
Watch your video, dog. Yo, that man, eh? You the man where the person man, that man.
Let me say my phone. I think me a fair money buy boy. Go. Look how long me tell the boy to chop down the blasted yard. If I know one thing you tell him about him, what's it now?
Yes! Me don't tell them, of course. What you say happen to you now?
Me tell the boy to chop down the yard and look how the yard stay.
You know, look good for true. For me not run pitney. I lick them there funny. Me not run pitney. If I lick them, then fall it.
Oh yes, right man.
Oh, you mean? I don't ramp with blast.
The jungle bongo dongo man.
Oh, you mean? Me not ramp with pitney. Oh.
Coco the place the backside place have rubbish. And
But
if you pick up the rubbish.
But watch out to blood seed.
Box foot.
Me, yes, you want me at I catch all them and lick them in a them gut side, this boy.
Kiss me teeth.
Me no ramp with picnic, finny.
Do massa.
Kiss me rock or stone.
Kiss me back foot.
Cheetos.
Do massa.
Drunk them.
Shillings.
Done bleach dog. Yeah, you
That's what you say all the while.
No, listen to me, mean it, brother. Me say yo, me go in a town with the bleaching cream racing again, you know. Me know you know them thing, brother. Me top bleach, brother.
Ah, you say you're
yo,
top bleach.
Father God, you see I know. If me bleach again, just take off my face, Father.
Evening, sir.
Yeah.
Twangy?
I mean, man, whiter than the sun, brighter than the star.
Last week, me see you and your black, bro. You bleach.
So look how Jennings we find on my yard, man, go off on my knees and all.
So what you do, peel off your skin?
No, dog. See, bleach it, bro.
Twangy? No, why your name bleach your neck?
No, you know, sir, I've done the cream done by the time I reach my neck, bro.
Twangy?
That's my name, whiter than the sun.
Twangy?
Because you style of man.
Hello. Oh, where you pass me, sir?
Oh, what?
You don't see fat market?
So what I say?
You have to want me number or something. Wait, watch out now. Oh. Hello, you don't see market?
What do you think you do with me?
Want
Leave me alone. Why you drive me down?
Cause you want
Want
to market, you know what?
You go right.
Hello. Like, hello. What you mean? You don't see markets?
You can't leave me alone? Please.
You know, feel nothing around down your leg.
What if you run down my leg?
Wait, can you see markings? You see fat piece.
Which fat base?
Where me?
So what does that have to do with me?
You like jagger? Hey. Fat markings.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, your foot ain't no wet. No wet. Why? Right place is smell carry wide. Yes, I'm here to tell you about, man. What? Wait, bring me a second. The right place is drinking water, man. But I never tell you something thirsty. Me never have a conversation about me thirsty.
Big man, drink your water.
I'm not drinking no water. Me never tell you something thirsty. Me
Yo,
something thirsty.
you're thirsty, bad man.
Did
Drink
I
your
come
water.
to you and tell you that
Bad
I'm
man, drink your
me
water,
not
man.
drinking no water? Let me go, you know.
All right, places we drink your
Me
water.
not drinking no water. You can't force me to drink no water. Cause me never tell you. Me didn't tell you something thirsty, sir.
Big man,
No, did I tell you that I was thirsty?
just taste the water.
No, me not thirsty,
If you
bro.
taste the water,
Me
water. Watch out, if you taste the water, come.
Let me go
Yo,
now. Me not
drink
drink
the
no
water.
Me not drink no water. Me not drinking. Me never tell you me thirsty. Law me.
You know what?
Me never tell. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh God, you cannot tell me you ain't Daddy, I'm peeing up. Well, you was pissing on a pregnancy test? What? Daddy, just now I can explain. Fire! Lightning, thunder, everything, man. Daddy, yo, I buy this for my girl to take, but I just pee on it for kicksy thing now. Jumel, give me that. Hey. Jumel, who else pee on this? I alone, I was just playing on it. Well, there's 2 lines on it. What? What 2 line mean? Pregnancy. You expecting? But stop playing with me now, boy. I a big man, boy. I gonna be your uncle? But I'm full street, boy. I a big man. You can't be playing with me like that, boy. Raise up your vest. Yeah, right twins. You mean? No, that was for kicksy thing. No, boy, I had to take a drive and come back, boy. But I just play with it. Have 2 lines on it, boy. What really ass going on inside this house? I can't tell mommy she get I can't tell.
Man them, happy Father's Day. Although we late still, you don't know. But big up yourself. Yeah, big up to yourself. Cause we not getting on yet, but you like you see they now work for me and Papi still. You see it now.
Who for see it now, Rick? Who for see it now, Rick?
It's
Yeah, the day before you say home, I have Miss Herm over there at Bali.
but
And last night he sent me picture of me about show me 2 lines for pregnancy test and me have youth in my belly.
so where answer?
You go check up yourself, brother. Like I feel seed now, Rick.
No, my seed I work.
No, my seed active in a car. Me I get youth and car. Miss Herm over there at Bali over there.
Man, the happy Father's Day.
But
We soon
check
get.
up for your seed, dog. I'm not going to feel seed, no.
Is a kangaroo that?
Yeah, mate.
Never yet
You
see
can
one.
look but stay far. Hey,
Pioneer the
Come
man
here.
say.
they're maniacs, mate.
Come here.
Bro, listen to the man now.
Hey, big
Yeah,
guy,
moving
alright?
up. Remember, he my tour guide, you know. See, you know. You know here. He's a stubborn bugger. You know here, my youth.
Fapping this, man. Look a boy. How you do over me yard? How fapping this? How your mother?
My mother over me yard because my father can police is running down and then take away in car. Yeah, and I'm a grandfather now. I have a grandfather. My grandfather in the Ghana foreign and then he go across one border and come back and police are look for him too. I'm hungry then. My father no cook and nothing in my cupboard. The only thing in there a spider web. And my father said, like how you always look over in your yard, you're fast. Yeah, and he said you chat too much. And he said, you can't think if you took ID pick you up in a car one night time, you go on road and you think up in a car. I'm think come in there and smell I'm think of this shit. Yes. Place hot thing, man. Woo. Now going before me, catch a fire too.
What? What I go on? See what?
Watch out. Watch it. I cannot fight in this man. Watch out and get beat up.
Yeah, that's
He won't bust.
No, don't take that, you know. Don't take that, you know. Wait, don't take that, you know. I'm gonna grow. Oh God. Funny. Sorry, Billy Goat.
You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando. Y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que ya estás maquinando.
No boy can't cook like me, boy, you know. At 20 years old, I dance cooking me, I do, you know. See, man, you ask him.
Yeah, man, I real man.
Ask this man here. Hey, alright, watch ya. And we are going to cook all reggae some fest, you know.
As a G.
Oh, God. Hey, look here, man, look here. Look on the pork. Look on the pork. Look on the pork. Wait till the seasoning going, man. I'm simmer it down. I'm brown it down. I'm here, man. Food sell one night, clad. Yeah, man. I kind of turn down the fire now, you know, because he don't want it burn or anything. He just want it mild. Yeah, man, so I turn, alright, see him way, man, alright, ginger in there. Where they know about ginger and cook? They can cook. God, man. 20 years out of experience. If I ever give a cup of soda, you see, all 20 you buy. Yeah, man, a long time we are doing it, man. A long time.
I just know.
I don't know, man. Hey, alright, look here. So you know, say, when the kitchen have more smoke, and the more the food nicer.
Yes, man.
I want here, man. I saw you know say food a cook, you know. Yeah, water run. Food a cook. Alright, Wiggy. Alright. I go, bossy. I can't go here. Hey, look here, man. I'm me the real chef boy, you know. Hey, watch. I run me a drink, you know. But watch right now, a Heineken, but watch her. Anytime you come back, anything that you want in the kitchen, man. I'm me there, man. So just come back and just go buy a drink, man. A long time, me I have a man. I keep dance for 20 years now, you know. I'm here cook down there, you know. Yeah, man, just go play for drink.